Remove 8 screws. Using a non-metallic pick, pry open the bottom case and remove it. Disconnect the battery cable. Remove 4 screws. Remove the battery. Remove the memory mylar. Release 6 screws. Remove the heatsink. Disconnect the fan cables. Remove 2 screws for each fan assembly and remove the fans. Remove 1 screw. Pull the drive out of its slot and remove it. Disconnect the antenna leads. Remove 1 screw. Pull the card out of the slot and remove it. Remove the memory shielding. Release the latches to remove the module. Release the WLAN cable from the guides. Disconnect the battery cable. Disconnect the left speaker's cable. Disconnect the right speaker's cable. Disconnect the power button cables, EDP cable, I/O board cable, keyboard cable, and touchpad cable from the main board. Remove 3 screws and the DC-in bracket. Remove the main board.